today's video I'll be showing you a disc brake hack. This will make your brakes more responsive and powerful, and if not, leave us a question in the comments below. The brakes I run are these Shimano A315 hydraulic disc brakes, which are great for the most part, but are losing power and responsiveness, so let's fix it. If you want to see all the components on my bike, just check out this recent video. This hack consists of 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to remove the wheel. Step 2 is to treat the disc rotor, and step 3 is to reinstall the wheel. Then after putting the bike on its back, please loosen the quick release. So for most bikes, this is just easy thing by just screwing it out like so. And remember, keep all these parts together like this so that you don't lose them. Put them on like a table, something like that. But now, if you've got a clutch on your derailleur, turn it off, then put the derailleur back and take the chain. Then there you go, you've got your wheel and your brake rotors right there. Now you got your back wheel off, well, any wheel really. Now I'm going to move the bike so it's not in the way of my working area. I'm going to put it behind us, like this. So now that's out the way. Now I can have all the space to myself and my wheel. Right, for the second part of the hack, you'll probably need some decent sandpaper, like this. Right, for the next step of the hack, you're going to need, well, you've got your sandpaper, haven't you? So, and you see your disc brake rotor. So now you're going to rub the sandpaper across there, surround thing, decent amount. So this is roughing up your rotor, which will give your brake pads, well, the bike behind us there, brake pads a bit more grip when braking. Done. I'll show you the results. As you can see, it's very, very shiny right here, and as you can see the scratch marks, and that gives the brake pad a bit more grip for the work. Here's the disc brake rotor again. Try and get it fully in. You can see the scratch marks there. So this is going to give your brake pads a bit more grip when braking. So I'm going to go all the way around. You can see it's all very good. So if your brake pads aren't looking like my ones, you might have to go around again a couple of times. So that's why you can even go even more than this, but you know, I feel this is a decent amount. So now I'm going to put the wheel back on the bike. So I'm going to bring the bike back over and carry it across here. And a bit awkward there. And just gently down. There we go. Right, so just wanna, it's all same things but in the opposite way. Right, then there we go, that's in. Remember, get your thing there. Right, this is right. Slip this back in. Screw it back in. Make sure your thing's not so tight that you kind of get it off, but tight enough that it doesn't loosen itself off. Now that's on. So now with the wheel back on the bike, you need to bed in the brakes again. So you can do this anywhere you want on a road, and even in lockdown you can do it in your back garden. So, but I wouldn't really recommend that because you don't really have it. Well, I don't really have enough space. If you're rich and famous or anything like that, you got a big back garden, you can do it there. So sometimes your brake pad might be rubbing a bit. That's just because it's getting all stuff off. Just needs bedding in. So to bed your brakes in, you just need to hold, well, for my bedding in for my brakes, it just needs to be my back one. Just very slowly, just about 50 times up and down the road. So gently, just put your braking material on your disc brake. So I'm back in my back garden now, just finished in bedding my brake. Brakes so much better now, more powerful by far. I can definitely feel it when I'm braking. This is going to help me in the trails, anything like that, if I need a water jump or anything like that. So I think this is a great hack, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you wouldn't mind subscribing and helping us get 50 subscribers by the end of the lockdown, that would be a great help. And would you mind if you like the video below if this video's helped you? If you've got any questions, just ask them in the comments below. Remember, no dig, no ride.